PVD Products PLD MBE and several of our other PLD systems are highly customizable and can be built with other types of deposition processes fully integrated inside the vacuum chamber, along with the pulsed laser deposition process. Our PLD MBE deposition options allow you to complete multiple types of depositions all within one chamber, making your work faster, easier, and reproducible. Deposition options include magnetron sputtering, effusion cells, atom or ion sources, RF substrate bias, and high-pressure read. Inside the vacuum chamber, standard programmable laser beam rastering provides more uniform target utilization and better film thickness uniformity on the substrate. This simulation shows the growth of a multi-layer film stack of 3 different materials using computer-controlled target indexing and laser firing. Any number of layers, up to 6 materials, can be grown. All PLD MBE systems come standard with 6 2-inch targets and can easily handle smaller targets. The multi-layer stack process can be repeated multiple times via software, and layers from other types of sources can be easily incorporated into the recipe process, as you will see. Along with the laser, other optional deposition sources can be used to create multiple layers. Our PLD MBE 2100 system can handle 1 optional deposition source. Our 2300 system can handle up to 3 optional sources. And the 2500 system can handle up to 5 optional sources. Such sources include 2-inch magnetron sputter sources that can be used either independently or in conjunction with laser deposition to add metallic, ceramic, or other types of materials. Effusion cells that can be used independently or in conjunction with laser deposition to evaporate specific materials in a highly controlled fashion. Atom or ion sources that can be used independently or in conjunction with laser deposition to provide atom or ion-assisted deposition for achieving chemical interaction with or for adding mobility to the growing film. The ion source can also be used for substrate pre-cleaning. Another option offered by PVD Products is applying an RF bias to the substrate surface. This produces a plasma right in front of the wafer that can be used to pre-clean the substrate surface prior to deposition in a background of argon gas, or to conduct reactive film depositions of oxides or nitrides when sputtering or depositing films via PLD. This option does not occupy any of the ports on the back wall of the chamber, leaving them fully available for the other options noted, and thus can be integrated into almost any of our configurations. All PLD MBE systems can integrate with a high-pressure Stibe Instruments read system to be used to monitor the quality of thin film growth in situ up to pressures of about 200 millitorr. K-Space Associates hardware and software is also provided for full data acquisition. Multiple deposition, RF bias, and read options are just some of the many features incorporated into PVD's line of PLD MBE systems to provide thin film researchers with the most up-to-date technology, ease of use, and superior quality. For a description of the system workflow, please reference our companion PLD MBE workflow video. Other features include our dual wafer load lock that allows the user to remove an already coated wafer and insert a new wafer into the PLD chamber in only 1 pump down cycle, greatly increasing the efficiency of your investment. Adding this option also reduces the base pressure of the main vacuum chamber to 5 × 10 to the -8 torr. We also offer a bakeout system to achieve pressures in the 5 × 10 to the -9 torr range. The PLD MBE line of systems normally includes all pneumatic valves with closed-loop pressure control and auto-pump vent sequences. Our easy-to-use software interface allows the user to set up the growth of multi-layers using PLD and the other optional sources as required in a single recipe format. Data logging of all relevant parameters is also provided. PVD is a global leader in the design and manufacture of high-quality thin film deposition systems, including PLD, magnetron sputtering, evaporation, and custom systems, with hundreds of satisfied customers around the world in universities, national labs, startups, and Fortune 500 companies. Contact PVD Products today to discuss your unique deposition needs.